Good morning students. Today I am going to discuss the relative velocity. As we know that the velocity of an object is measured with respect to a surrounding object which is at rest. When the velocity of an object is measured with another object which is not at rest, then the velocity measured is known as relative velocity, or the relative velocity of an object with respect to another moving object is the effective velocity with which the object will appear to move when the other object is considered to be at rest. Now here I am going to discuss two cases when the objects are moving in along a straight line in a same direction. Then suppose we have two objects A and B. The object A is moving with a velocity of VA in this direction, and object B is also moving in the same direction. To find the relative velocity of object A with respect to object B, we have to bring the object B at rest. For this, we have to superimpose the velocity, it is VB. So we have to superimpose the velocity minus VB to bring B at rest. As we have superimposed velocity minus VB on VB, so we have to superimpose it on VA also. By superimposing this velocity minus VB on VB, the B will come at rest, and the A will acquire a velocity which is equals to VA plus minus VB. Because the object B is at rest now, then the velocity, relative velocity of object A with respect to object B is given by VAB is equals to VA plus minus VB, or it can be written as VA minus VB, because VA and VB all are along same direction, so we can write VAB is equals to VA minus VB. This means the magnitude of relative velocity of object A with respect to object B is equal to the magnitude of velocity of A minus the magnitude of velocity of object B. Now coming to the next case, when objects are moving in opposite direction, when the objects are moving in opposite direction, let again there are two objects. Here is A which is moving with velocity VA, and another object B which is moving in opposite direction and whose velocity is VB. To find the relative velocity of object A with respect to object B, we have to superimpose velocity VB minus VB so that B will come to rest. As we have superimposed this velocity minus Vb on B, so we have to superimpose it on A also. Here we will get VA and it has been superimposed on this. Now by superimposing the velocity minus Vb on Vb, the B will come at rest. And A will acquire the velocity which is equal to VA plus minus VB. Now the object B can be considered at rest after superimposing this velocity. So the relative velocity of object A with respect to object B is given by VAB is equals to VA minus VB. Because the velocity VB has a direction opposite to that of VA, so we have VAB is equals to VA plus VB. This means when the two objects A and B moves in opposite direction, magnitude of relative velocity of A with respect to object B is equal to the sum of magnitude of their velocities A and